What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you amazing news that might be an evidence that regulators FINRA and SEC knew about the fraudulent activity on MMTLP shares long before the beginning of December 2022. And this news is a real bombshell that might change everything in this situation, in the lawsuits that were already filed. And before we get straight into this news, please, I kindly ask you to share this video to as many people as you can, because only in this case we will be able to attract more attention to this problem, and we will have more opportunities and more chances to solve this problem in our favor. So please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section. This is the only way how we can push up my video at the top of the search, and that will help us to solve this problem. So let's get straight into the news. This article was published on April the 1st, basically yesterday, on frankness.com, and I will put the link on this article in the description below. And this article is titled "Transcripts Now Reveal Big MMTLP Fraud Investigations." And let me quote you this. Now transcripts have surfaced revealing conversations between FINRA and the SEC. And right here you can see several letters. This information leaked, in my opinion, from SEC side, because right here you can see the FINRA's email that isn't blurred, but SEC addresses were omitted, as you can see right here. And let me quote you this. Looks like this MMAT MMTLP matter has now hit my fraud team's radar screen, and seemingly a lot of other radar screens as well. I know you've spoken to party casimates and our general counsel's office, but was wondering if it made sense for my fraud team to have a conversation directly with you and your folks working on the matter, so we are not duplicating efforts. We are looking at the two issues from a fraud manipulation angle, and in fact bullshitting both MMAT and MMTLP as we speak, said Sam Dreddy to the SEC on December the 5th, 2022, just days prior the U3 halt and delisting of MMTLP. FINRA knew of manipulation prior to halts and delisting. And let me quote you further. Sam Dreddy is a senior vice president in FINRA's National Cause and Financial Crimes Detection Programs, Market Investigation Team, and head of FINRA's Insider Trading, Market Fraud and Offering Investigation Units. Transcripts insulate that regulators knew manipulation was happening in MMTLP more than a year prior to the events that occurred in December of 2022. I believe it was a party casimates from our market ops group who reached out to omit it, and this is the quotation from this letter, as you can see. And let me quote you further. I have included her on the email so you can reach out to her directly, said Sam Dreddy to the SEC on November 29th, 2021. As you can see, the date of this letter was sent on Monday, November 29th, 2021. And let me quote you further. Patricia Casimates is the Vice President of Market Operations for FINRA Transparency Services. Her responsibilities include FINRA's Trace, Alternative Display Facility, ADF, and the OTC Trade Reporting Facility. In addition, she also manages OTC Corporate Action and Dividend Announcements. Prior to market operations, Ms. Casimates was Deputy Director in FINRA's Market Regulation Department, overseeing surveillance for trade reporting, order handling, best execution, FIPS, fixed income pricing system, as well as the real-time surveillance area, handling backing away compliance and locked/crossed market issues. Transcripts show that on December the 2nd, FINRA's market fraud investigations team received several tips that were also sent out to the SEC. Both the SEC and FINRA were aware of the manipulation of MMTLP prior to investors losing everything. And I have to say that if it is the real information, if this information leak is not a joke from April the 1st, definitely it is a real bombshell that might change everything. So, in other words, notices could have been sent out warning MMTLP investors of the events that would occur on December the 8th, when MMTLP was halted and later delisted, freezing investors' money in the process. And let me quote you this. Good morning, and again, omitted name. I believe you've had conversation with FINRA's OTC Corporate Actions team regarding the above issue and its proposed spin-off transaction. Would one of you have time on Monday or Tuesday to discuss this matter? FINRA's Market Fraud Investigations team recently received several tips that appear to have also been sent to the SEC. Below are some proposed times to discuss, but we can work around your schedules if these don't work for you. Thanks. So, and this letter was sent on Friday, December the 2nd, 7 days prior the trading halt. So, let me quote you further. FINRA received complaints and threats. Transcripts have also been released confirming reports of large amounts of complaints related to U3 halt. You may be already, but we have received a large number of complaints on social media and directly to FINRA related to a trade halt that we have issued on Friday. Some of these communications have included threats related to FINRA in general, as well to certain of our employees. Out of an abundance of caution, we are asking our team to work from home tomorrow and the rest of the week, unless there is a particular business need to be in the office, said FINRA CEO Robert Cook on December 11, 2022. And here is this letter. And I have to say that it is a mind-blowing information. So, the fact is that the aftermath left many real people with nothing. Investors had their retirement and savings funds in MMTLP only to lose it all without warning from the regulatory bodies who knew this would happen to investors. And definitely, this news is extremely important and we have to know more about these conversations, and probably it might be one of the major points of potential new lawsuits if we will know more about this fraudulent activity that was made prior to the U3 halt on December the 8th, 2022. And definitely, right here we can see several names, and we have to ask these people, Patricia Kasimates, Sam Drady, what was the purpose of their actions during this U3 halt, and what was their action before this U3 halt, and what did they do in order to prevent the illegal activity of some potential fraudulent hedge funds and even their own activity as the regulators. And basically what to do next, because right now we are waiting for more than 100 days in order to know what to do with our position and how this problem will be solved. So definitely it is a very interesting information, and it is extremely important to share this information to as many people as we can. And that's why I again please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family, and drop me a line in the comment section whether or not this information is useful for you. So I think that's it for now. See you on the next video. Bye.
This life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.